How to buy open box from Wayfair. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can buy open box from Wayfair, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your web browser, open a new tab, and in the search box type Wayfair open box section. Alright, you could actually locate this on your Wayfair account, but for easy access, you could just type it out like this. Wayfair open box section. I'll click enter, and then you can see open box deals, open box deals. So just click on open box deals and you'll be redirected to the right page. So the Wayfair open box is a way of getting products at discounted prices. So by clicking on Wayfair open box section, you'll be taken to the open box deals, and then you can check out the different items that are still available for sale. All right, so just check them out. Browse through thousands of these prices, and then you can also filter them based on the category, based on the color, style, as you can see, the exact type you want. You can just filter them this way. For example, if it's beds that you want, benches, what exactly do you want? All right, select them, and then the products that are available in the open box would be displayed to you. So just check out the ones that you can get. All right, then click on it. Okay, just go ahead and click on it, and then once it loads, you can be able to add it to your cart, and then you can be able to buy this as an open box. So on the product detail page, you also have a chance to select a kind of color you want. All right, and then you can see how it looks like, how the product looks like in different forms by moving to the right side and clicking on the different pictures that you'd like to see. All right, you can also zoom it to see what you're getting, and then if you want to buy more than one, you can do that. Then just go ahead and click on add to cart, and then the item will be added to your cart, and you can now go ahead to check out and make your payment. Since it's now open box, you get it as at an affordable price. All right, but you must note that open box items are not returnable since you are getting it at an affordable price. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.